picking up. It's actually getting hard for me to even stand here. I'm having to literally brace myself to be able to stand because the winds are getting so strong. And then you can see the situation on Bayshore. It's been like this now since yesterday. And I got to tell you, I've covered flooding on Bayshore before. Usually it recedes fairly quickly, but not this time. Kim and I are walking into the water here, kind of to give you an idea of how deep this is. Now, as you wade in, really to Bayshore, we're actually on a street, adjacent to it. But as you actually get out there in the middle of the street, it is at least waist deep.
You can't even see
the conditions out here really pretty bad. And also, as the winds are picking up, we're seeing the white caps coming over the wall. That
there's the wall.
Making this flooding even worse. And then we actually had a little bit of rain a few minutes ago, and that also contributing to the water getting even higher. Now, a little bit earlier, we actually saw a lot of people out here. They were here taking pictures. We saw a lot of the kids out here in the water. But of course, these warnings are coming out, and as the water is getting worse and the conditions are deteriorating, people have now gone inside, and that is really the smartest thing to do because it is obviously a big, huge mess out here. Veronica?
Paint this picture for me, because that scene behind you is so awful scary. I'm afraid I'm going to see a dolphin behind you in any minute. What's the situation with the homes around you? How close is the water getting to properties there?
Yeah, Veronica, that's a very good question. And we're actually on South Orleans Avenue. Now, you can see this is probably the home that is the closest to it. Kim, let's show people. Basically, that is sort of the side of their house there. You can see it is coming up almost to their stairway. Quite a few of their palm trees now are halfway covered with water. So, yeah, the water is actually starting now to come up the streets. I'd say on this street where I am, the water has come up about midway down the street.